Good day everyone, I am Joanna Kim R. Jimenez. In this video, I will demonstrate the soil texture by peel and ribbon test to determine the texture of my soil sample. First, I collected my soil sample from our backyard. After collecting the soil, I place it in a clean container for observation. The untreated soil is black in color, very moist, and has a loose compaction. I also observed roots mixed with the soil. Next, I removed the roots and other large materials to make sure that only the fine soil particles would be used for the test. After that, I measured about 35 grams of soil and placed it on the palm of my hand. I added a small amount of clean water and kneaded the soil until it became moist and moldable, but not watery. Then, I poured the soil into a ball. The soil formed a weak ball, which means it held together but was not very firm. Next, I performed the ribbon test by pressing the soil between my thumb and forefinger. The ribbon measured approximately 5 centimeters before it broke. After that, I rubbed a small moist sample between my fingers. The soil felt silky and smooth. After completing the test, I washed my hands and dried them with a clean towel as a part of proper laboratory safety. So here's the result of my texture by peel and ribbon test. So based on my observations, the soil felt neither very gritty nor very smooth. It formed a weak ball, produced a medium ribbon, and the ribbon measured 5 centimeters before breaking. So these observations were used to determine the soil texture. So in this part, I compared my observations with the interpretation key. So since my soil formed a 5 centimeter ribbon and felt neither gritty nor smooth, the soil texture was identified as a salty clay. So here's the part E, what the result usually means. The next is my interpretation. So based on my final interpretation, my soil sample is classified as salty clay. I expect it to have moderate drainage and moderate water holding capacity. To improve the soil condition, I recommend adding compost or other organic matter, maintaining proper drainage, avoiding overwatering, and loosening the soil before planting to support healthy plant growth.